HM solution. PFM, Precise Fiber Microscope. Here is a new fiber microscope we recently designed called PFM. PFM analog key features. Newly designed stage makes for precise and convenient stage control. It supports up to 3 inspection tips, and those are easily changeable on stage. It provides simple movement between installed tips, easy brightness adjustment, and flexible objective lens replacement according to application. PFM digital key features. If you are using digital PFM, you can select stage type, analog or auto stage. Auto stage is optimized for multi-core inspection, such as MPO, MTP, QSFP, based on IEC standard. Action on scan makes operators' task easy. Test start and result data management just by barcode scanning. It enables smart factory, such as test automation, statistics, reporting and isolation of problem in production process. It also supports changeable objective lens. PFM gives comprehensive tips availability. You can inspect almost all fiber component in the current industry. You can install and replace up to 3 inspection tips on stage easily. Now you can learn how to inspect fiber with PFM. Simply turn on the PFM. Connect fibers to tips on stage. You can reduce tip change time thanks to our multi-tip support stage. Adjust focus using front knob. Then use right knob for horizontal positioning. For vertical adjustment, use top knob on tip. If you want to move horizontal position quickly, use the quick release knob for instant moving to next tip. You can also change objective lens by application easily. Adjust brightness if needed. Here is manual stage controls in action. Adjust X position. Adjust Y position. And adjust focus. Use quick release knob for instant moving to other tips. Refocus and brightness adjustment. As you can see, PFM stage is controlled precisely, so you can inspect multi-core fibers much easier than with other microscopes. Now you can see the auto stage with digital PFM. Auto stage is optimized for multi-fiber inspection. You can see test result with live view. If you are using PFM auto stage, you just need to click test icon or scan barcode. Then PFM do everything automatically, regardless of device type. PFM, Precise Fiber Microscope. HM Solution.